So welcome back. We're in the deep analysis of one animal that has been marked with an alarm in the Guardian suite of dairy data warehouse in Predicta. This animal was alarmed that it is likely to get mastitis or ketosis, and ketosis maybe. And we just said this animal is an interesting one, a lot of heat stress here last summer. Only 3 inseminations, considering the fact that it was in summer, that's rather little. And 1 health event, mastitis here, and a lot of group changes. Now, let's take a look at the past performance of this animal. So let's dive deeper into historical data. And here we see only 1 lactation, the last one pictured. Now, if I click on this one here, we see 2 lactations, so the last 2 lactations, and I just skip a lot. You remember she had 5 lactations already, is entering the 6th, and I found this picture really appealing. So what we see is the last 4 lactations, her 2nd to her 5th, and first of all we see a lot of heat stress in summer. Strangely enough, heat stress always at the beginning of the lactation, in the last 3 lactations. Always very little numbers of inseminations, right? Here 3, here 1, here 3 again. Almost no health events. And up to the 5th lactation, a visibly rising production level. So the production has even increased in the 5th lactation. That is not a given. I think it's interesting to take an even closer look into this animal.